up mid-late until 5 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Franklin Park, more than 6 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 29. A report of wind gusts greater than 35 knots was received from Franklin Park. Some of the gusty winds will be ahead of the storm. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chicago Lakefront, Harrison Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Guy Emerson Harbor, and Dupable Harbor. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Edgewater, Michigan north. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots, Barrington north to 30 knots. Chance of showers and